How to delete files. Press the menu button to open the menu. It's located here. Use the up and down buttons to select files and then press enter. From there, use the up and down buttons to select the file that you wish to delete. So select this one, press enter again. Use the up and down buttons to select delete, press enter. You'll get an execute or cancel option. We're going to go ahead and select execute. Press the enter button again. This will confirm the deletion. And then you'll get a message to say done when it's completed, and that file will be deleted from the SD card. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.